Hello buddy, this is a tutorial video for Piotr Addon's new feature, Widget Creator. As you can see at the menu, we have two new parts, All Widgets and Import Widget, so users can create their own widgets based on demand, or import widgets from the other site. So let's try to make a new one. For example, at first click on Add New button, so you can choose the name for the widget here, Paste button. Then edit with Elementor. The highlighted point here is that instead of setting up third platforms or customizing your function file and themes, it is simpler and more time-saving for you because you just have to drag and drop and perform quick operations with Piotr Addon's feature, even though you just have basic coding knowledge. On Elemental Editor panel, search for Paste Widget Creator, then drag and drop to the editor area. Edit this widget. At Content tab, there are 6 remarkable categories to configure: Settings, Controls, Render, Assets, JavaScript, and CSS. The first part is General Settings. You can name the widget in the title box. Then in the name part, it must be unique, so you should use a dash. The next one is icon. You can select an icon you like. And here we have the result. Go to the control part. Click on Add New to show the first element. There are various types for you to choose here, including repeater. Please notice that if you have created repeater start, you must create repeater end. Similar to tab. We have tab end and tab start. Especially, controls must start with section type. You can set name, label, and which tab this section will appear. Here we have settings section. After fill name and label, choose tab as content. Then we do the same with the next elements. We choose text for type. Choose name and label. In the next one, choose section for type. Fill out name and label. A style tab will be displayed. And the next one is color type. Fill the name and label. Here, we must have CSS, so turn on this button. Then we can choose one of the suggestions below. I will choose this one. Normally use double arrow operator, but here we use vertical mark instead of. Then we can edit something like selector to button, background color, afterwards render step. You can use PHP or Twig. Besides, you can refer the document here. In case of using PHP, the value of variables and controls is control name. Here is an example using PHP. If you use Twig, you can code as in the 6th line. When we want to use JS or CS from outside, for example a library, we have to upload those files. Create new folders and then put the files here. If you want to enqueue, just tick the checkboxes, it will automatically enqueue. Similar to the others, JavaScript and CSS. After clicking on Update, every post or page created with Elementor will appear this widget. Let's check the result. Let's drop and drag it here. Then we can change the button text. There could be a mistake with button color. Let's check render part. Oh, we have a misspelled typo here. Okay, let's update it again. Back to color button, we custom the color as red. So you can see preview here. If you want to export, please exit. And then go back to the All Widget section. There is an export button. Then you will get the JSON file. And in Q files is zip files. Please remember to tick the checkbox. Then if you want to import, you just need to upload the file here, and it will unzip itself.